I can't spoil it, right? But I can't really say. That's it? That's all I can say? I'm already giggling.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty.
And I'm Kiahna Manker, a creative producer from Riot Games.
We are here to give you a sneak peek on designing the badass makeup looks of Arcane Season 2. As a makeup artist, I've always been inspired by powerful women and storytelling, and Arcane really brings that to life. In collaboration with Arcane, I wanted to capture the essence of its characters through makeup. Each look reflects their personalities and journeys. It's all about empowerment and self-expression.
Yeah, well, this partnership started back way before Arcane Season 1 even came out. And really with Arcane, we just felt that there was an opportunity to do something, different above and beyond the normal licensing partnership or like product collaboration. And we really felt that there are some goals and actual like brand values that align between Fenty Beauty and between Riot. For one, Fenty, we've all known Fenty is like first in its class in the beauty industry. It's true.
Very true.
And pioneers in really their approach to inclusivity and accessibility.
Yes.
And Riot is very similar to that. Like we started as a free-to-play game and we have multiple games now that are free to play. And we really have this player-first mentality that we really truly believe in. And yeah, I just feel like both of our companies just really, really care about our community and want to do something that's really authentic for our audience that we serve.
I love that.
Also with Arcane, there's just so much beautiful, artistry, creativity that's just in every single layer of the show. And we are just really excited to work on Season 2 with Fenty Beauty and your artistry to have that impact the show in such a really unique way. And yeah, it's really exciting. I cannot wait for players, fans, everyone to just get this.
Me too. The character that has my favorite makeup has to be Mel.
Yeah.
Like, chef's kiss. Like, who doesn't want to look like that? Which character do you think has the best makeup?
I have to agree with you. I think it's Mel as well. It's, a really great opportunity and fortunate that we're able to include her on the packaging, given her kind of precarious end in Season 1. So yes, I'm really very happy that we've been able to showcase her Season 1 look. But yes, I do think she has the best makeup.
She has the best makeup, and it's probably one of my favorite products, like her products that are in the line. I'm like, oh my
so
God, beautiful. It's so good. It wasn't any different. I kind of treated each character like they were a real person because they have personalities just like real people do. When I do makeup for my clients like Rihanna, I come last as a makeup artist. First, it's wardrobe. Where is she going? What is she doing? And then I integrate a makeup look for that. So I'm kind of like the last step. It was the same thing with the Arcane characters. You guys described me their backstory, where they came from, the emotions that they're feeling, what they're wearing, their hair.
Yeah.
And at the very end, it was makeup. So I literally treated it like a client of mine. Basically what I do is if I was that character, if I was going there, if I was wearing that, how would I want my makeup to be? And that's kind of how my wheels start turning. It was probably one of my favorite jobs to date.
Yeah, and you did a great job being able to really go off of kind of nothing. We had scripts and, we were able to communicate what the characters were doing and feeling, but you didn't have all of the visuals to really capture these looks. So you really, really took the time to learn about each of them to really bring out their personalities in these looks.
Well, yeah. But I do have to say, you guys were very thorough and you guys gave me great information. So it was team effort for sure.
Yes.
It's a hard one because they were all so good, but I have to say Vi. I think the grittiness, I was obsessed with. I do a lot of beauty makeup and I work with, making everyone look really beautiful and polished. But being able to imagine something more gritty and raw and real, and it was fun.
Yeah.
And it sticks out in my mind, and it's something that I'll never forget. It was cool.
I just love that you really influenced just like the oil slickness nature and the texture of that look. Really, really elevated it. So,
and to be able to see that in animation, how do they do it?
magician.
It's like three-dimensional. Like you can actually see the oil slick. You can see the shine and all of the different layers of it. And I think that is just so incredible. And that's what made this even more realistic for me. And it's just, it blows my mind when I see it. I still get teary-eyed.
Yeah. Fortiche, the texture artists in Fortiche really, really did take in all of the references that you shared and really worked hard to kind of figure out, you know, technologically wise, like how are we actually going to make this look come out on screen? And I think everyone really pushed themselves to just do more for season 2, and this was just part of it.
It's so fascinating, and it honestly is probably one of the best things I've ever experienced.
Really cool.
Really is though. For an animation, it's like, oh, that's gloss. Oh, that's oil slick. Oh, that's a smoky. Like you can see the texture in the animation. That's insane, you know?
There's a lot of little details.
So many details.
Really pop.
Yeah, I love it. So the product that I'm most excited for the fans to get their hands on from the Fenty Arcane collection is Glitty Lid. Especially melodic moves. Ooh, it's a good one.
That one's
There's
beautiful.
nothing on the market like it, I promise you.
Yeah, so my favorite product that I'm really excited for fans to get in their hands is the multi-chrome liner called Anomalit, and it's based off of this very surreal thing that happens in the show, and somehow Fenty has captured just the unique qualities and color changing of that moment in the show, and now you can just put it on your eyes. Or, I mean, just the swatch alone was just marveling at it like all day. So good. So excited for fans to get that one. If you were in an Arcane style fight, what would you come armed with on your face?
That's a good one. I would probably do the Killawatt Arcane Quad because, honey, that highlight, that glow is going to blind the haters, honey. Blind them. And I'm a win wearing that one.
Yeah.
If you could choose any for a fight, what would you wear?
Oh, you know, I would probably go with the Kablooey mascara because I just love mascara, but then this one is just blue and just, you know, it's got that extra firepower.
You know, they say when you wear blue on your eyes, it actually makes you stronger.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I saw that recently. So, hey. Yeah, there you go.
That would work.
I read that anytime a woman is going through something in her life and she needs strength, she usually gravitates towards blue.
Interesting.
On their makeup. And then they did like a compilation of like movies and when the woman is like their stronger character and how they wear blue eyeshadow or blue mascara. It was really cool. Yeah. I would have to say Jinx.
Okay.
Because she's an I don't give a kind of girl. Can I say that? And she just does her. And, you know, I feel like she's kind of like a person who doesn't think when she does stuff, but when she does it right, you know? And I love that about her. I have never really been that way in my life. So getting to live through her is fun. Yeah. Now we're going to play a little game where we give each of Rihanna's songs a character.
Ooh.
Mel.
Echo. I feel like that's a Vika. I'm gonna say Singed for that one. Something a little disturbing about him. That's Jinx. The fans, they're screaming out for help. They're like, where is this show? Season 2, it's taking too long.
It's worth the wait.
Let's do a round of rapid fire.
I'm down.
I mean, maybe it's 2 words, heart-wrenching. That's really what I think of when I watch the show.
I agree with that. Maybe for me, it's roller coaster because of all the highs and lows. You're literally on a roller coaster and you not even know what you're gonna expect next.
Very true.
Regal.
I'd say innocent.
Hopeful.
She's fierce.
Mama Wolf. Wild.
Wild. She's wild. Fighter, for sure.
I agree. Fighter.
Refined.
Poised. Boy savior.
He's very compassionate.
Lumberjack.
Naive. Sweet baby boy.
But a complex sweet baby boy.
He's dead. Dead.
Now we're gonna do some trivia and we're gonna use these as our buzzing in, right?
Yeah.
So, risky ruling.
True.
It's true. They're actually tattoos.
She's right.
How many pieces are in the total collection?
I hope I know. 10. What a brat. Trophy wife. Oh, snaps. Pills. Girl next door. Yeah.
Powder.
Mm.
There are 9 episodes. That one is November 9th. Kablooey. And it's featured by one of Jinx's grenades. And when you actually open the packaging, you've got some Hex Tech energy that kind of just explodes out of it. And that gives it, it's really, really cool.
Big boom.
5.
Yeah.
And they're all beautiful. Like, I want all of them.
Every single one. September 7th, 2017. Is that right? Yeah. It's engraved in my mind forever.
Understandably.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this deep dive into the Fenty Beauty Arcane partnership.
We are so excited for you to get your hands on this limited edition collection and for you all to watch season 2 of Arcane on Netflix.
Yay!